Loves, I wanted to start off by telling you guys we have officially been approved for our new house, our new mini mansion, and let's get into this video. So we're in front of the house right now, and once again, it's another house with missing keys. So I can't show you the inside of the house because I can't even see the inside of the house myself, which sucks, but we're gonna go to some more houses before the day's over.
We didn't look at this one, did we?
I feel like we did. That looks familiar. I guess not. Why, that's around here? Even though I don't like it? Yeah, okay. So, we're in front of the house right now,
right.
and...
I think we did go by this one.
And what happened? So there was all there? The key wasn't working or
I
something?
feel like no, because I never got a key.
I know we didn't see the inside of it.
No.
So we're in front of the house right now, and guess what? The key's missing from the lockbox. So I guess that's an issue when you are dealing with going to see homes on your own, where anyone can go and see a home and get access to the key instead of just a realtor going, because a realtor obviously is not going to steal a key, whereas when any random person can go get the code and get a key, it's going to be stolen quite often. So that's a downside with dealing with American homes for rent, is you're going to have a lot of issues. I mean, we've had literally every issue you can think of today, from houses being occupied when they say they're supposedly vacant. We've dealt with keys missing, and we've dealt with random people coming up to us telling us that we can't view the house because they already paid for it. So now we're gonna see what other houses we can view today. So this is the last neighborhood we're going to be going to today. Houses are big, at least on the outside they're big. We're gonna see how it looks on the inside of the house. Okay, loves, this is the front door. This is the last house for today, and this is definitely in the running. I think this is the biggest house that we have seen so far. So this is the first room that you see. This is probably like the formal living room. And then on the other side, which I really love, is the formal dining room. And then if you go straight forward from the door that you enter, this is the steps to go upstairs. Then you have the family room. So yeah, that's the family room. And then you have the little dining area where you would put your kitchen table to eat. Then we have the actual kitchen. And they said there's an island, but I don't really consider that an island. But, you know, to each his own. This is what the kitchen looks like, and I'm so mad I can't turn on the lights in this house. Like, some lights work, some lights don't, and the lights in this kitchen, they don't all work, or the lights in this house don't all work, so I can't brighten it up for you guys. But yeah, that's the kitchen. And then this door heads to the garage, and then this door heads to the half bath, and then this is the laundry room. So we head back on out the kitchen, and we're going to see what this is. This is probably, oh, that's a pretty deep closet. Pretty deep closet. Here's the family room. Now we're gonna head on upstairs. Oh my goodness. This is just such a grand entrance, I have to show you. Like, look how tall that ceiling is. Grand entrance. You can see our car outside. So now we're going up the stairs to the rooms, and I feel like I see a green room, which is kind of scary, or it might just be the yellow looking green, or the tan walls looking green. So here's the first room. Decent size. Seems like all the walls in this house are a tannish yellow. I don't really like that too much. Then we have closet. Then the next room is, I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is the master or not. Let's see. No, this is not the master. So this is just another room. This could be my beauty room. We got a closet. And this is a pretty big room. I could probably give this to the boys. Pretty big room. And this is the dark room. Let's see if I can get, oh, we got some light. So this is another room, very spacious with a closet. Back to the stairway. Now we're going to go into the bathroom. The bathroom lights don't work, so we can't look into the bathroom, but that's the bathroom for the first 3 bedrooms. Now we're off to the master. And this master is actually kind of small in comparison to the other masters that I have seen today. So yeah, it's kind of small in comparison. I mean, it's still big, but just a little smaller than the other masters that we have seen today. But at least there's more space on the first level. So this is the master bathroom. We got the shower, not so into the gold. But anyways, we got the shower, the stamp shower, we got the bathtub, and we got the toilet room and a window. I like the windows, how they have that, I forgot what they call that kind of, those kind of blinds. Plantation shutters. I love the plantation shutters in these rooms. So yeah, really nice plantation shutters. And then let's see the master closet. Master closet's also kind of small, considering how big this house is. So let's turn off the light and go back downstairs. I don't know why this room looks so green, even though it's not. So loves, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on our whole moving situation. We are moving to Georgia officially the end of this month, between the 26th and the 31st. We got ourselves a mini mansion. I'm so excited the way things worked out. It was a super stressful process, but it worked out the way it was supposed to. So the house we applied for through American Homes for Rent was the very first house I showed you guys in the very first house hunting video. We applied for that house, and the only reason why we applied for that house was because we felt like that was the best house out of all the houses we saw. I found so many problems within that house. I didn't like the fact that it wasn't an open floor plan. I didn't like the stairs and the way the railings were, where I felt like my kids could just like jump off the railing and fall onto the first floor of the house. I didn't like the fact that the staircase started literally where the door stopped. Like, the staircase was way too close to the front door. There's like literally no walking room between the staircase and the front door. I found a ton of problems with that house, especially on the first floor. The second floor was gorgeous. I love the master. I love everything about the master bathroom, the master closet. I loved the bedrooms, but the first floor just didn't seem like it was perfect for us. I also didn't feel like that our dining room table would fit in the space that it had, and I just felt like the family room was too small, and then it had the extra room in the front. I was like, what am I going to do with that extra room? I'd rather them just cut down that wall and just have a whole big great room, but obviously it's a rental home, so that's not something that I can do myself. So anyways, it was the best home we saw from the company, so we just applied for it and we were denied. So they told us that it would take 24 to 48 hours to let us know if we, you know, got the house. We waited like an entire week before they gave us a decision. And since we waited an entire week, we thought, oh, we're gonna get the house, because they're, you know, running background checks. They're checking our credit, they're checking our income, they're checking this and that. We thought we were gonna get it, and we didn't. And I told hubby, I was like, if we don't get this house, I'm not going to be too upset because it really wasn't what I really wanted. It was kind of just what I was settling for. But when we didn't get it, it caused so much stress, both for me and hubby, because we knew his job starts in Georgia, like literally right now his job starts, and we need to be down there, and we didn't have a house. We didn't know what we were going to apply for, because we didn't get the house through American Homes for Rent, meaning that we didn't get that house and we weren't going to get any house through them. So we had to go with another rental company, and we had to find another house online. We knew we weren't going to be able to visit any more houses. We weren't going to be able to make any more trips down there to look at any more houses. We were going to have to literally find a house for rent online. So I went online, and the very first house I saw when I typed in Zillow or whatever ended up being the house that we got. It's literally a mini mansion. I would call it a mansion because in my eyes, to me, it's a mansion. It's a huge house, but I don't really want to call it a mansion because as full-time YouTubers, they're the ones with the real mansions. To me, this is a mansion just, you know, because it's so much bigger than where I live right now. It's so much bigger than the first house I applied to and got denied. The house that we ended up getting is a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house. My apartment we live in right now is a 2-bathroom, 3-bedroom, 1,000 something square feet apartment. And then the house we got denied was 2.5 baths, 4-bedroom, 2,000 something square feet. And the house we got approved for is 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, open floor plan, 3,000 something square feet. Like, it is insane. And it's just funny how the smaller house we got denied for, the smaller house that had lower rent we got denied for, but the house that is higher rent, which is a little higher than we wanted to pay, we got approved for. So I'm really excited to see this house. We're going to be moving into a house we've never seen in person. We've only seen pictures online. But just from the pictures online, I can tell this house is going to be amazing for our family. Like I said, it's open floor plan. It has so many rooms, not just bedrooms, but just rooms in general for the kids to play and have fun and run around. And the backyard is perfect. It's completely fenced in. It has a privacy fence. It has a patio. So stay tuned for a new house tour of our 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house once we move in. Thank you guys for going on this journey with us, and I definitely would not recommend American Homes for Rent. Bye, loves.